It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop. When the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off today's vlog a lot later than I normally do. It is 3:49. Taylor just got home from work and I'm going to run to the grocery store. I haven't got groceries in like probably a week and a half. I basically just got a couple things for meals last week and that was it. So we are out of everything, like milk, eggs, butter, everything. So it is super cold out right now. I think it's like 30 degrees. We've got like mixed flurries. A lot of places around us have gotten a ton of snow. I'm from the Midwest, if you guys didn't know, and we haven't gotten any snow here yet, but there is a good chance that we will tonight. So I definitely need to get the house stocked and ready with food. So I'm going to run to Sam's and also Kroger, which is our local grocery store. So I'm gonna run to those two places. I've got some really good recipes for meals, and tonight I'm gonna be sharing with you a recipe from the Magnolia cookbook. So I'll be sharing that recipe with you if you guys wanna make it with me. It's a bacon bottom chicken with wild rice, and it's so good. We've had it once before. Taylor and Brooks both really liked it. So I'm gonna make that tonight along with some broccoli, and then we're gonna make some brownies. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna share with you my grocery haul once I pick everything up. It's been a pretty productive day at home, just finishing up on laundry. You guys seen yesterday's Vlogmas video. I did like a get it done with me where I cleaned, I did laundry, did all that kind of good stuff. And today I'm going to finish up on that. It takes me like days to get things done, it seems like, but I'm going to finish cleaning tonight. I'm gonna make that dinner with you guys, and then I'm gonna wrap my Christmas gifts. So I've been saying that for like 4 or 5 days, and tonight I am getting it done. Okay, made it to Sam's. I've got my Christmas music going, but I wanted to show you guys an air freshener that I've been loving. Let me turn the light on. It is so dreary outside. I don't know if this will focus. There we go. But I love the scent of leather, like a Western leather. And I found this one from a local boutique, but they do sell online. I will link this down below. This would be an awesome stocking stuffer. But once this scent kind of goes away, this is what I've been using. So they have a room spray. It's called Christmas Cactus, and you guys, this smells so good. So if you are looking for something for a gift or even just for yourself to keep in your car, what I'll do with this room spray is I'll spray like it throughout my car, or I will spray the air freshener itself so it can like hold that scent. So just a little tip if you guys wondered what I use in my car for an air freshener. Okay, made it back home, and I'm gonna do a quick little haul for you guys on what I picked up at Kroger and Sam's. So first I got a bunch of stuff for chili. I just got all of my beans. I'm also making enchiladas, so I got some sauce and beans. I also got some rice. I love getting these for Brooks. We are out of eggs. I got an onion, these little yogurts for Brooks, coffee, K-cups, and then for the recipe I'm making tonight, I needed 2 boxes of this rice. I grabbed this hamburger helper just to have on hand, cornbread to go with the chili, more chicken nuggets for Brooks, and then I got some sour cream to go with the recipe tonight, tortillas for the enchiladas and the Mexican cheese. I'm also gonna do like a pasta night, so I got some mozzarella, broccoli. I always get these at Sam's. That's a really good deal. And then I got some garlic bread. I was out of cheese and butter, so I stocked up on that. I also got some sausage to do biscuits and gravy.
Mommy,
bacon. I got that at Sam's, yeah.
Oh.
I got ground turkey, ground beef, and chicken for recipes this week. Orange juice, milk, bananas, pizza, and wings for one night. And then
Sam's.
I did get that at Sam's. Oh. And then Premier Protein, yogurt, Pop-Tarts, toilet paper, all of that is from Sam's. And then I also got the Gatorade and water from Sam's. So that is the little grocery haul. That is that. And now let's go ahead and make some dinner. Alright, I'm getting my Magnolia Table cookbook out. The baked chicken with bacon bottom and wild rice. It's a super easy recipe. It does take a little time though, I will say that. And I was cracking up at this setting, holding the cookbook down. Does anyone else do that? You do what you gotta do to keep the cookbook open. But here are all of the ingredients that you will need. It's really pretty simple. It's just a little bit of prep work. So first we're going to cut up an onion. You can use however much you want, and you can slice it as thin or as thick as you want. It's really your preference. And then you're going to place bacon on the bottom of a 9x13 pan. And I like this pan here because I've got a lid to go on top of it, but it's totally up to you. And then you're going to sprinkle the onion on top of the bacon. Now you're going to prepare the rice according to the package. I think it called for 1 3/4 cups of water for each box, so do that 3 times, and then 3 tablespoons of butter. So you're going to mix all of that together and let it simmer for 5 minutes.
And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing.
Now you're going to take 4 teaspoons of butter and place it on top of the bacon and onions. This is going to go under the rice mixture. Then you're going to prep the rice. So you're going to take 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, or you can use onion soup. It's totally up to you. And then you're going to take 1 cup of sour cream. You can just get the 8-ounce package of it, and then you don't even have to measure it out. And then you're also going to take 1 cup of chicken broth. So I actually just used that 8-ounce container for the sour cream to measure it out. That way I didn't have to dirty anything up. And then you'll just mix that all together and wait for your rice to get done. You'll also mix in some garlic powder and a little bit of salt and pepper.
It's cold outside, but the fire.
Once the rice is done, you're going to mix that in with your soups and chicken broth, and then you'll just stir it together. And for some reason tonight it was a little bit on the watery side. I think I needed to let my rice sit up some more, but I was running out of time. So make sure your rice has fully soaked up the water, and then you won't run into this problem. Now you're going to place the rice in the pan on top of the bacon and onion and butter, and then you're going to take 2.5 pounds of chicken tenderloins, and you're going to press them down into the rice. Then you're going to melt 2 teaspoons of butter, and you're going to put that on top of the chicken. Next, you'll add a little bit of salt and pepper just to top it off, and then you'll wrap it with aluminum foil. Mine ripped, so I actually did 2 layers of it. But then you're going to cook it or bake it at 375 degrees for 55 minutes covered, and then 20 to 25 minutes uncovered.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since
I also decided to make broccoli, so while that was in the oven, when I had about 20 minutes left, I decided to go ahead and steam the broccoli. And then for dessert, I was going to make some brownies. This is super easy. I just got a brownie mix from Aldi. Nothing fancy, but it will do the trick for a sweet tooth. Taylor has been requesting brownies, so I thought it was time to make some. You're just going to make the brownies according to the package. Super easy. You just mix in your mix, 2 eggs, water, and oil, and then mix them together. Really simple. I recently got this KitchenAid mixer and it makes baking anything such a breeze. So I'm loving it. This is only my second time using it, so it's still really exciting. But then I'm going to spray a 9x13 pan with cooking spray, that way it doesn't stick, and then I'm just gonna mix her up.
First for me and you, I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow.
Once it's all ready, I'm just going to pour the mixture into the pan. And then a little trick that I like to do to kind of dress brownies up from the box is sprinkle some little mini semi-sweet chocolate chips on top. And you could do sprinkles, you could do caramel drizzle, you could do peanut butter, anything to kind of make store-bought or from the box brownies just a little bit better. About that time, my chicken was done. I also stuck some rolls in at the last 5 minutes, and they were almost done. Needed 1 more minute, but here is what the chicken looks like. I'm putting a little bit of parsley flakes on top just to finish it off, and I think it turned out pretty good. So the rice really soaks up all of that moisture, and then the broccoli was done as well. It was probably a little overdone, but it's hard to plan all the timing out. So then I just made some tea for Taylor and I. We didn't have really anything else to drink in the house other than water. So we made some tea real quick, and then I went ahead and plated everything. Then I stuck the brownies in at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And then I got everything plated, ready to go for Brooks and Taylor and I, and then we ate dinner.
You would even say all together. Used to laugh and call him names. They never left.
Okay, then I'm just sticking the lid that comes with this pan. That's what I love about that, is I can just throw a lid on and stick it in the fridge for leftovers. And then about that time, the brownies were done and they were good to go. So I went ahead and let them cool, and then cut them up, and then got one for Brooks and Taylor. So they loved them. Now it's time to do a little kitchen cleanup. I'm catching up on Alexandria Garza. Her and her husband Michael have a vlog channel and they're doing Vlogmas, so I was catching up on their Vlogmas video. Let me know what your favorite YouTuber to watch for this season is, or just in general. I think it'd be really interesting to see what other kind of channels you guys watch. I love Alex and Michael. I love her sister Frankie. She's got a channel as well. I love Mallory Irvin. I love like my cleaning channels. Love Meg, Brianna K, Tara Henderson. That's just to name a few. So let me know who you guys like to watch down below. And now that the kitchen is clean, I just lit a candle, and then I made Taylor a cup of coffee to go with his brownie. And then I decided to go ahead and wrap some Christmas presents. So Brooks wanted to help me before he went to bed, so that's what we did real quick. And I just got all of my supplies out on the counter. I got a lot of it from either the Dollar Tree or Target, or even a little bit from TJ Maxx. So just getting it all ready to go, and then we will start wrapping.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah, I don't know what he's thinking.
Also, I just wanted to mention that if you are someone that I buy for Christmas, you should probably go ahead and exit this video now, just so you don't see anything that you are getting or getting a sneak peek.
I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. I don't know what he wants now, and I don't know why he said all the things he said.
Here is how the first present turned out. I love the big bow on it. That ribbon is actually from the Dollar Tree, and then the tag is a pack from TJ Maxx. So now we're getting into the second one. Brooks loved helping me wrap, pretend wrapping, and sticking bows on the paper, but I thought these were really sweet memories, and right before he got to go to bed, he wrapped a few presents, and then he loved sticking them under the tree.
But I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you missed out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more. You missed out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells, no. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
This is the last present that I decided to wrap tonight. I'm going to pick back up tomorrow, but I had a little bit of things I needed to get done still tonight and edit this video, and it was getting pretty late. So I went ahead and finished after this one. But make sure to like this video if you are enjoying seeing Vlogmas videos from me. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. See you guys later.
I'm walking around making small talk.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so